Hi. I'm here to talk to you about nose warmer gift for people who are cold. Nose warmer not only a cozy gift for people who are cold all the time. Does your nose get cold in the winter? Well, look at this cozy nose warmer as an option to make you feel warm and cozy during the coldest days of the winter. We here at the shopping lifestyle team of Harper's Tribune just found the ugliest, but coziest Christmas present in the universe. It's one of those gifts that has its place though, because people are always complaining about their cold noses, right? Well, this holiday season you have a gift for people who are cold all the time, or it might also qualify as a gift for people who have everything. Heck, give this knitted holiday surprise to a person who is constantly freezing, like your mom, grandma, or what about your friend who always complains about having a cold nose? So yes, we've got the absolute best Christmas present ever, the nose warmer. Christina Cordula certainly would not validate this handmade knitted piece, and we understand it. But it's so ingenious, and WTF, this is just a piece you could not talk about because it is so epic. We did not even get out of summer and barely recovered from back to school, and we are already talking about the latest holiday trend, and worse, we are dropping the C word, Christmas. What? Really, are you serious? We actually do not want to make you flip out, but folks, here is the reality check. We only have to sleep another couple of nights and Christmas is knocking at the door. So obviously, one wonders what Santa could put under the tree this year. While rummaging on the internets, we came across the nugget. Ladies and gentlemen, we present the Muffler version 2018. It's a beautiful progress. Our grandmothers had turtlenecks and scarves, our parents had the good old technique of raise your scarf, but what have we got going on? Better yet, what do we have to protect ourselves from the winter cold that stings down the tip of the nose? Nothing? Until an English guy is saying that something had to be done. That realization was the start of a company, the Nose Warmer Company, which, as its name suggests, makes warm nose pieces. Each piece brings a kind of bird's beak comfort to put on your freezing nose. In fact, looking a little, we realized that this cozy and warm mini accessory was invented in the United States in the 70s. Except that at the time, the internet did not exist. Those folks back then used the nose warmer for sleeping too. They even released how to make a nose warmer instructions and nose warmer pattern sets that are in the public domain today. This means that anyone in our days can take advantage of these nose warmer patterns. How do you think the Nose Warmer Company got their patterns from? Yeah, they did not reinvent the wheel, nor did they do anything magical. They just used the ingenious piece of the 70s and stitched it together based on public domain patterns and instructions. The folks in the 70s might have been the originators of the idea, but ingenious are the folks who took advantage of the 70s nose warmer creativity, needlework, knitting, and crocheting patterns. Today, almost 50 years later, the famous warm nose piece or nose warmer is becoming the new trend to follow. The proof? A lot of creators have surfed the wave by offering their own models in various materials and colors and styles. The piece comes only in a unisex version for a price ranging between $4 and $17. Hey, flee it or accept it, guys. Are you serious, darling? So far, we were close to ridiculous, but we had not yet jumped both feet together in the abyss of embarrassment. But now, we come across other models with the likeness of animals. What? Are you kidding me? Who wants to try to look like Kermit when arriving at the office or meeting one's in-laws with a panda or pig face? Really? Who wants to feature a pug muzzle in the middle of one's princess face? Denounce yourself. We pass our turn. However, we may offer it as our next big winning Christmas gift to our colleagues at work. Heck, this ridiculous-looking nose warmer gift might even qualify to be this holiday's gift that people are going nuts for. Imagine the reaction of your superiors when he or she takes a nose warmer in the shape of a cat out of the gift box. This nose warmer will guaranteed be the Christmas gift of the year, no matter if you opt for a neutral one or if you pick out the crazier animal-themed ones. Happy nose warmer shopping from the whole shopping team at Harper's Tribune. And make sure to pick up your nose warmer at Amazon here, otherwise you are just not hip this winter fashion season. Enjoy. Jenny Douglas from the Lifestyle Shopping Team. Hope you found it useful. For more information, please click the link in description.